Okay guys, I want to show you how I styled this mantle. It's very easy to do. You guys can all do it. So the first thing you want to do is pick something that's the right size. So I picked this large painting because there's kind of a large space to deal with here. So I got an appropriately sized piece, one appropriately sized piece. If I had two, it'd be kind of weird. So I got one big one, and then I threw in some smaller pieces, and I've got just some sentimental items to me. So I pulled in some wood tones with the tool back here and the frame and with the shoes, and then I brought in some white, just cute little pieces that pop like that. I've got some glass to add a little bit of shine on this side, and then mimicked it over here with the flask on the other side. So bring in a couple items that are similar, make sure your scale is good on the mantle, and it will be beautiful.